Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Honda Civic. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. It's important to let the engine cool down for safety before you begin working. Next, you'll need to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug using your wrench. Let all the old engine oil drain completely, which might take several minutes. Now it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it's snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn more. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. To finish, add the new oil and perform a final check. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck the oil level and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.